I suppose something just needs to be done. I was at the protest in 2022, but it seems like nothing's gotten better. Bad policy decision after bad policy decision, in my opinion, and in many young people's opinion, has led us here to this situation. I was reading the stat only today that only 7% of people between the age of 25 and 39 own their own home. Everything is being pushed back for people. Like, if I wanted to move in with my girlfriend, it's incredibly difficult to find a place and it'd be incredibly expensive. If you want to buy your own home and maybe have kids, everything's getting pushed back and pushed back. We just want, an equal opportunity to get on with our lives. We know many people who have moved to Australia, moved abroad. I have cousins in Canada and the US, and now friends who literally moved yesterday to Australia. So something needs to be done.
I'm back and forth between renting and living with my mother. I did a long time in Canada for like 8 years and I came back, but I'm so busy playing music at the moment that I wouldn't be able to make it work spending over $2,000 a month on a property. That's not worth it. And also, it's kind of a principle thing. I don't like landlords, which you will hear in my music, so I don't want to give in either. You know what, I don't necessarily side with any government party, but I think the ones in charge for me, I want to see kicked out as soon as we can. It's principle, you know what I mean? And for me, it's not politics, it's now personal, it's no longer politics.